Hi, everybody. My name is Guy. I come from the University of Glasgow. I'm going to present the study that I conducted with my collaborator, Professor Arvid Kappas, and my supervisors, Professor Val Morrison from Bangor University and Professor Elias Cross. And social robots can elicit socially meaningful behaviors and emotions from humans across several experimental and real-world contexts. Nevertheless, one of the challenges to human-robot interaction research is replicating and extending lab-based findings to better understand how short, constrained laboratory manipulations might translate to real-world scenarios. Since interactions with social robots are novel and exciting for many people, one particular concern in this specific area of research is the extent to which human users will experience the interactions positively over time, when its novelty is particularly salient. In this current paper, we were particularly interested in users' experience in long-term human-robot interactions. How do users perceive their interactions with the social robot over time, and how do they perceive the robot's ability to sustain it over time? So a 2x10 between groups repeated measures experimental design was followed with 39 participants. Participants were randomly assigned to one of the two discussion topic groups, according to which they conversed with the social robot Pepper from SoftBank Robotics via Zoom video chats about general everyday topics, for example, social relationships, work-life balance, health and well-being, whereas one group's conversation topics were framed within the context of the COVID-19 pandemic. So, for example, social relationships during the pandemic, sustaining mental health during the pandemic, and etc. Each interaction consisted of the social robot Pepper asking the participant 3 questions, so 3 repetitions. The topic of each interaction was assigned randomly before the experimental procedure started, as was the order of the questions. Participants were scheduled to interact with the robot twice a week for 5 weeks during prearranged times, so 10 repetitions overall. Each interaction with the robot lasted between 5 to 10 minutes, give or take, and another 10-20 minutes for completing questionnaires. Using linear mixed effects analysis, we found that despite individual differences between the participants, over time, participants found the interactions with Pepper to be of higher quality and that Pepper's communication skills were better, more competent. These results are in line with some of our previous studies' results. Nevertheless, our results also stress that the discussion theme has no meaningful nor significant effect on the way people perceive Pepper and the interaction. These preliminary results provide important evidence concerning the potential of introducing social robots in real-life applications for long-term use and establishing meaningful relationship with these agents over time. Thank you so much for attending my presentation. If you have any questions or comments, please email me. My email is right at the bottom, or find me on Twitter. Thanks a lot.